We know from part one in this series, we're going to crop 16 inches wide, 10 inches high. But what if you wanted to crop a different size because you're working on a different image and you want a different result? Well, you have to know how many pixels are involved. And you can either do a little math multiplying inches times 180, and 180 is our pixels per inch setting for our Epson printer, or you can just let Photoshop do the work for you. Hit Command N, and let's say we want to make a 4x4 print that we're going to print at 180 pixels per inch, and then we're going to add 2 inches of white around it and then put it in an 8x8 frame. So we have a small, delicate picture inside a small frame, which is really sweet. So 4 times 180, can you do it in your head, or do you need to use image size so you can see, hey, it's 720 pixels square. So you write that down, close that file because you don't need it anymore, then select the rectangular marquee and plug in your 720 in both of these. And then when you click, you will get, rather than this rectangular marquee, you will get a square one that you can then drag around your image looking for the smallest possible crop you can make. Doesn't mean you can't make a larger crop. We're going to come back in the next movie and I'm going to show you a way to cheat. Leave yourself a little note on the screen and then use the crop tool to crop at the right ratio, not necessarily at a specific DPI, that we can then, use Photoshop to finish the preparation before we begin enhancing. I hope that makes sense.